Dear students, I am Sivakumar from Sri Vidya Mandir Metric Higher Secondary School, Uttangarai. Dear, we are going to start with a new chapter from 11th Biogeology textbook, chapter number 10. The topic is neural control and coordination. Neural control and coordination. This is a new chapter, chapter number 10. From the human body, many organs and organ systems are there. Many organs and organ systems are there. Organs are made up of tissues. Tissues are made up of different types of cells. As it is, the organ system also made up of different types of organs. So, every cells, every tissues, organs and organ system, it is going to function one way. That function is coordinate. That should be regulate. Because the human body activities are going to coordinate in right way. That process followed by two systems are present in our bodies. The two system is regulate the body functions. What are the two systems? Which means one is the nervous system. One is the nervous system. Second one is endocrine gland system. Second one is endocrine gland system. So nervous system and the endocrine gland system, the two systems are coordinate our body functions. The nervous systems are provide mechanical coordination. The nervous systems are provide mechanical coordination. And endocrine glands are provide a chemical coordination. Endocrine glands are provide chemical coordinations. What are the organs are controlled by, and what are the organ systems are controlled by nervous system and the endocrine gland system. Aromatic system, respiration, circulation, reproduction, sense organ, including human immune system also. See, first one, the circulatory system is stimulated by which is heart function. Circulatory system is the main function, heart function. Heart function also stimulated by nervous system and the endocrine gland system. The excretory organs. The excretory organ, main organ kidney. The kidney, they will manufacture or filter the urine from the blood. So this process also controlled by, or excretion process also controlled by nervous system. The sense organ, what are the sense organ in our bodies? One is the eye structure, visual the object, ear structure, hearing the auditory waves, skin, they are going to observe different types of touching sensations. Our body mouth part contain tongue structure, it is feel about different types of taste. So as it is, many organs, sense organs are feel about the different types of sensations. It is also controlled by nervous system. And another one, reproductive organs also, they want to manufacture the germinal cell, reproductive cells, male and female, ovum and sperm cells are manufacturing process also controlled by nervous system. So that likes nervous system, it is giving the coordinate to all the organs and organ system in our bodies. So the nervous system is made of or compare is a specialized cells are called, which is nervous cells. That nervous cells, it stimulates the heart function, circulatory system functions, respiration, digestions, reproduction, many systems are stimulated and controlled by the nervous system. According to the functions, the neurons are classified three types. One is the sensory function, second one is motor function, third one is autonomous function. The nervous cells are, it is doing different types of functions. Different types of functions. What are the functions? Which means the first one is sensory function. Sensory functions. Second one is motor functions. One is the sensory functions. Second one is motor functions. Third one is autonomous functions. Third one is autonomous functions. See, sensory functions means some of the nerve cells are receive the stimuli or control the stimuli, that is sense organ activities. Some of the order or commands are transmit from the major organs of nervous system to body organs. Body organs. Some of the nervous cells are, it is doing, which is autonomous function, I mean a reflex action. What is the name? Reflex actions. The reflex actions, it is controlled by autonomous nerve or autonomous nervous cells. So depend on the functions, nervous cells are classified, which is sensory function, motor function, and which is autonomous function. These are different types of nervous cells doing different types of which is control activities. The next one is human nervous system, which is human nervous system. The human nervous system, it is highly specialized. Highly specialized nervous system. The human nervous system, it is ectodermal origin. Human nervous system is the ectodermal origin. What is the meaning of ectodermal? The human embryo, after the formation of zygote, from the zygote, many cells are developed. That the developed cells are form three primary germ layers or embryonic layer. In previous class, already from the muscular system topic, I clearly explained. The human embryo, it is contained three primary embryonic layer. One is the outermost layer, which is ectoderm. Innermost layer, middlemost layer, mesoderm. Innermost layer, endoderm, which is endoderm. This is human primary embryonic layer. That layer, each layer develop on individual cells and tissue, organs and organ system. As it is, the nervous system, which is human nervous system, it is developed from which is ectodermal origin, which means outermost layer of the primary germ layers. Outermost layer of the primary germ layers, ectoderm. The nervous system developed from the ectoderm origin. Understand? The human nervous system, we are classified two categories. One is the CNS, Central Nervous System. Central Nervous System. Second one is PNS, Peripheral Nervous System. Peripheral Nervous System. One is the CNS, Central Nervous System. Second one is PNS, Peripheral Nervous System. The two systems are provide the coordination to our body organs and the organ system. The human body, many organ, which means Central Nervous System, it is controlled particular organs and organ systems. Peripheral Nervous System, it is also controlled some organ and organ systems. So what are the organs are including, which is Central Nervous System and Peripheral Nervous System. See this topic already you have studied in your class. CNS, Central Nervous System, which means brain and the spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. It's a part of Central Nervous System. Peripheral nervous system, PNS, which means 12 pairs of cranial nerves. 12 pairs of cranial nerve and 31 number of spinal nerve. 31 number of spinal nerve. That two parts including which is that is called peripheral nervous system. So central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, it is a major part of human nervous system. It's a major part of human nervous system. That each nerve systems are made up of a specialized cells are there. That name is neuron or nervous cells. That nervous cells are only highly developed in higher group of animal, I mean higher vertebrates. From the lower vertebrates, nervous systems also is there, but some of the animals are nervous system totally absent. Example, sponges. I mean, sponges animals are nervous system totally absent. After this, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Annelid, arthropods, and many animal groups are have highly specialized but network structure. What is the name? Network structure in our ganglionic structure. But in human bodies, it's a highly specialized types of which is nervous cells are there. That nervous cell name which is neuron or nervous cells. That nervous cells are main function receive the impulse and detect the impulse. Receive the impulse and detect the impulse between the neurons, which is one nerve cells to another nerve cells between a present non-nervous cells are there. Non-nervous cell and supporting cells are there. That nervous cells name neuroglia. Neuroglia, it is a special types of cell. Neuroglia is a special types of cell. It is non-nervous cell. It is found between the two nervous cells. See, there is a nervous cell number 1, nervous cell number 2. Between the two cells, a present intermediate cell that is called which is neuroglia. That neuroglia, it is a non-nervous cell, but it is activate with the nervous cell structure. I mean, activate with the neurons. What is the role of neuroglia? Neuroglia, it is provide the nutrient to nervous cells. Because of that cells are called a non-nervous cell and supporting cells. It is support to which is nervous cells. That is called neuroglia. So human nervous system including neurons and neuroglia. Human nervous system is made up of two types of cell. One is the neurons. Second one is neuroglia. Neuron cell main function receive the stimuli and detect the stimuli. Receive the stimuli and detect the stimuli and transmit the nerve impulse from the one nerve cells to another nerve cells. That sequence or a serial arrangement of nervous cells transmit the nerve impulse from the one nerve cells to another nerve cells. Neuroglia, it is found between the two nerve cells. It is provide the nutrient to nervous cells. That is the role of which is neuroglia. Next one is structure of neurons. Structure of neurons. See, the structure of neurons. Dear students, now I am going to draw the structure of nervous cells. I will label the parts. You just learn from me how to draw the nervous cell structure and various parts. See, this is nervous cell structure. It is a very longest cell in our bodies. The nervous cell is the very longest cell in our body, exactly 1 meter. Very largest cell in our body is liver cell. Liver cell and muscle cells also. But very longest cell, the nervous cell. The nervous cell, it is a star shape of cells. Star shape of elongated structure. That is, which is nervous cell. The nervous cell, it is made up of very important 3 parts. See that round structure, that is called a cell body. That is called a cell body. Cell body, otherwise called a cyton. cell body, otherwise called cyton. Inside the cyton, presence of which is cytoplasm. What is the name? Cytoplasm. Cyton inside present in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm, otherwise called, which is exoplasm. The star shape of structure, that name is cell body. Cell body, otherwise called cyton. Cyton means cell body. It is star shape. It is otherwise called axolemma. What is the name? Axolemma. It is otherwise called axolemma. Axolemma or cell body. We can call other name plasma membrane. What is the name? Plasma membrane, cell body or cyton or axolemma. Inside the axolemma, presence of a jelly-like substance. That name is cytoplasm or exoplasm. Cytoplasm or exoplasm. That is the presence of nucleus, spherical shape of nucleus also there. Nucleus also there. That the spherical shape of structure, which is cell body, in terminal point is many thread-like structure branches. That name is dendrites. What is the name? Dendrites. Dendrites. In the presence of a jelly-like substance, cytoplasm or exoplasm. Inside the ectoplasm, many atoms are there. A group of atoms. It is contain a fragment of which is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Listen to the word RER, which means rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and basophils. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and basophils. A group of fragment of endoplasmic reticulum, short form RER, and basophils are present in the inside, which is exoplasm in the cell body. That name is simply we are called, that is called Nissl granules. Nissl granules. RER, which means rough endoplasmic reticulum. I think you clearly know what is the meaning of rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a part of animal cell structure. In plant cells also is there. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, which means the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. That is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. The ribosome option in the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, that is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Two type is there. In the nervous cells, ribosomes also present, endoplasmic reticulum also present. That ribosomes are found in surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, that a group of rough endoplasmic reticulum and basophils are found in the cytoplasm. This is called Nissl granules. Next one is axon. Next one is axon. The axon, it is developed from conical shape of the which is cell body. In terminal point and the conical shape of the cell body may present which is a thread-like structure. That name is axon. The axon is a very long structure. In terminal points of axon, it is divided, that is called terminal branches. Terminal branches. Okay, in surface of the axon is covered by axolemma. See, this is axon. Axon is origin from a conical shape of the cell body structure. That means from the dendrite branches developed from here. The axon is covered by axolemma. Axon is covered by axolemma. The axolemma, otherwise called a myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. In the entire part, not covered, a between space are there. A between space name that is called, which is here. That name is nodes of Ranvier. That name is nodes of Ranvier. See, listen. Between the axon inside present, that is called, I told you, axoplasm. It's nothing but cytoplasm. The cytoplasm we are going to change, that is named axoplasm. Surface axoplasm represent a myelin sheath, that is called, it is also called axolemma. Between the axolemma, a space or there, that is called nodes of Ranvier. Nodes of Ranvier. Another one is there, neuralemma. What is the name? Neuralemma. The neuralemma, it is present outer part of the which is nervous cells. Many number of which is layer of neuralemma cells are collectively we are called, it is called Schwann cells. It is called Schwann cells. Schwann cells. Okay, that main function which is in neurons are receive the stimuli and detect the stimuli. So, the nervous cell, very important 3 points. One is the which is cell body. One is cell body otherwise called cyton. Second one is axon. Third one is terminal branches or dendrites. That is important part of which is nervous cells. That the 3 part is conduct the nerve impulse from the one nervous cells to another nervous cells. It is receive the stimuli and detect the stimuli. Next one is types of neuron cells. Types of neuron cells are there. 3 different types of neuron cells are there. Types of neuron cells. It is different on or based on structure of neurons. One is the unipolar neuron. Unipolar neuron. Second one is bipolar neuron. One is the unipolar neuron. Second one is bipolar neuron. Third one is multipolar neurons. Unipolar neurons, bipolar neurons and multipolar neurons. What is the difference unipolar neuron and bipolar neuron, the multipolar neurons? All the nervous cells are developed from the ectodermal origin, but we have difference. The difference is structure or structure of the neurons. Unipolar, which means, see, this is cell body or cyton. From the cell body or cyton, one axon. What does it mean? One axon and one terminal branches, dendrites are there. That is called unipolar neurons. That is called unipolar neurons. Second one is bipolar neurons. Bipolar neurons are from the cell body. One part is act as a which is axon. Another part is act as which is dendrites. So 2 branches are there. That is called bipolar neurons. In multipolar, which means many from the cell bodies, axons are developed. Terminal branches also develop. It's in many directions. That is called which is multipolar neurons. Multipolar neurons. Where they are found in the human body, which means the unipolar neurons are present in human embryo. From the human embryo, presence of which is unipolar neurons. The bipolar neurons are present in human sensory organ eye structure. Not only eye structure, ear, eye structure, tongue and skin also. So bipolar neurons are present in the sense organ. multipolar neurons are present in human brain. Multipolar neurons are found in human brain. That is different types of neurons, which is unipolar neurons, bipolar neurons and multipolar neurons. Another important things, the neurons are classified in three types. The types of classification based on functions. What are the functions? Which means one is the afferent neurons. So one types. Second one is efferent neurons. Third one is autonomous neurons or internal neurons. It is the types of neurons based on which is functions. Based on the functions. What is the meaning of which is afferent neurons and efferent neurons, internal neurons? The afferent neurons means the stimuli are received from the or sense organs to brain. That types of neurons it is called which is afferent neurons. I think you are all are very well known. Many nervous cells are compressed or composed its form, which is nerve tissues. So nervous tissues are communicate with our body sense organ. From the sense organ to our body master nervous system organ brain. So sense organ to brain message or may transmit to the nervous cells. So what are the nervous cells are involved in this process? That is called afferent neurons. This is sense organ to CNS, I mean central nervous system. The impulse are transmit to the sense organ to central nervous system. That types of neurons are called which is afferent neurons. Second one is afferent neurons. The motivate activities, I mean command or order may pass from central nervous system to organ. Central nervous system to organs. Message may transmit through the special types of neurons. That types of neuron it is called efferent neurons. Third categories, internal neurons. So the neurons are present in central nervous system and PNS, peripheral nervous system. I told you peripheral nervous system, which means 12 pairs of cranial nerves, 31 number of spinal nerve. 31 number of spinal nerve and 12 pairs of cranial nerve. A pair of nerve that is called PNS, peripheral nervous system. I told you. Another one, central nervous system. Which is central nervous system? Brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. The brain and the spinal cord between present a special types of neuron that is called internal neurons. What is the name? Internal neurons. So this is three different types of neurons are the classification based on the which is depend on the functions. Depend on the functions. Next one is the nervous systems are generate the nerve impulse. It will be transmit to from the one nervous cells to another nervous cells. See, generation and conduction of nerve impulse from the nerve tissue arranged a series linkage of which is nervous, I mean neuron cells are connect between the one nervous cells to another nervous cells. Action potential or nerve impulse transmit. How it is transmit? The nerve impulse are transmit through the ion molecules. The ion molecules are found in outside of the nervous cells and inside the nervous cells. So fluids are there, which is outer part of the nervous cells, which means otherwise called extracellular fluids. Inside the which is nervous cell, I mean axoplasm, it is contain many organelles and fluids are there. That fluids there which is intracellular fluids. From the intracellular fluid, presence of potassium, magnesium, phosphate and negatively charged protein molecules. Negatively charged protein molecules, potassium, magnesium, phosphate, and other organic components are there. What are the organic components? Carbohydrate, protein, understand, and fat also, or lipids. Some other vitamins also there. Okay, so from these components are present in intracellular fluids. I means ICF. It is present in ICF means exoplasm, inside the cell body and the exoplasms. Next one is ECF. Extracellular fluids are contain sodium, chloride, bicarbonate, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, and some other nutrient component, which means carbohydrate, protein, lipids. Some other inorganic molecules also is there. So this component present in extracellular fluid, I means outer part of the nervous cells. So from the intercellular fluids to extracellular fluids, extracellular fluids to intercellular fluids, that iron molecules will be migrate. Many channels are open between the junction, which is one nervous cells to another nervous cell. That is a junction of which is nervous cells. Between the junctions, ion channels are open. Between the ionic channels, the ion molecules will be transmit. The ion molecule transmitting process, that is called generation and conduction of nerve impulse. It is otherwise called action potential power. It is transmit. It is otherwise called sodium potassium pump or nerve impulse transmission. Okay, students, this is the end. So remaining topic we will discuss in the next class. My kindly advice for you, whenever the government is opening school, we don't know. So please watch this video fully, take notes, refer well. If you need more informations, below give the comments. More explanation I will give for you to the next video. Thank you.